Today's activity is Prefix Fix. This is a physically active lesson, so be prepared to get up and get moving. What is a prefix? Well, a prefix is added before a root word to make a new word. For instance, prefixes are examples like pre, miss, un, or re, and each one of them have their own meaning. Pre means before. So I have school, but if I put pre in front of it, it means before school. So before you start kindergarten, you can go to preschool, which happens before regular grade school. You take the word view, which means to see or to look at, and you put re in front of it, it changes the meaning to become looking at it again or viewing it again. So we're going to review it. Take the word real. If you put on in front of it, it becomes not real. So these are some examples of some prefixes that you will be using. In today's activity, you will be shown a sentence. Within the sentence, there is a missing word. A clue is given to help you decide which word fits. Choose a word with the prefix that fits best. Participate in the exercise 10 times that goes with your choice. As always, feel free to pause the video at any point when you need more time to think or exercise. Here's sentence number 1. The missing word means does not like. Jackson blanks asparagus. Is it unlikes, relikes, or dislikes? If you think it's unlikes, do 10 toe touches, relikes, 10 squats, dislikes, 10 scissor kicks. If you did 10 scissor kicks, you got the answer correct. Jackson dislikes asparagus. In sentence number 2, the missing word means write again. My teacher asked me to blank my paper because it wasn't my best work. Do you think it is rewrite, pre-write, or unwrite? If you think it's rewrite, do 10 crab kicks, pre-write, do 10 jumping jacks, unwrite, do 10 windmills. If you did 10 crab kicks, you are correct. My teacher asked me to rewrite my paper because it wasn't my best work. Number 3, our missing word means not finished. When our house was built, we left the basement blank. Did we leave it A, refinished, B, pre-finished, or C, unfinished? If you think it's refinished, do 10 heel raises, pre-finished, 10 arm circles, unfinished, 10 cross crawls. If you did 10 cross crawls, you chose the correct answer. When our house was built, we left the basement unfinished. Number 4, the missing word means to view before. Before the movie started, we got to see a blank of an upcoming movie. Did we get to see a preview, a review, or a post view? If you think it's preview, jog in place for a count of 10, a review, do 10 pretend jump ropes, or a post view, do a 10-second plank hold. If you chose jogging in place, you chose preview, which is the correct answer. Before the movie started, we got to see a preview of an upcoming movie. Number 5, the missing word means behaved badly. My dog blanked today by chewing a hole in my dad's new shoes. Is the word disbehaved, misbehaved, or unbehaved? If you think the dog disbehaved, do 10 squats, misbehaved, 10 jumping jacks, unbehaved, 10 arm circles. If you did 10 jumping jacks, you chose the right answer. My dog misbehaved today by chewing a hole in my dad's new shoes. Number 6, the missing word means spelled wrong. I accidentally blanked a word in a letter to my cousin. Did I accidentally unspell a word in a letter to my cousin, disspell a word in a letter to my cousin, or misspell a word in a letter to my cousin? If unspelled is correct, do 10 toe touches. Disspelled, 10 crab kicks. Misspelled, 10 heel raises. If you did 10 heel raises, you are correct. I accidentally misspelled a word in a letter to my cousin. Number 7, the missing word means not encouraged. I felt blank after I struck out for the 3rd time. Did I feel unencouraged, recouraged, or discouraged? If you think it's unencouraged, do 10 scissor kicks, recouraged, 10 windmills, discouraged, 10 cross crawls. If you did 10 cross crawls, you chose the correct answer. I felt discouraged after I struck out for the 3rd time. Let's look at number 8. The missing word means to gain again. It takes time to blank strength after not working out for a while. Regain, ungain, progain. If you think it's regain, do 10 squats. Ungain, 10 arm circles. Progain, 10 crab kicks. If you chose A, regain, and did 10 squats, you're correct. It takes time to regain strength after not working out for a while. Number 9, the missing word means not tied. Hannah's shoe keeps coming blank. Retied, distied, untied. If you think it's retied, 10 pretend jump ropes. Distied, jog in place for a count of 10. Untied, 10 heel raises. Okay, if you did 10 heel raises, that's correct. Hannah's shoe keeps coming untied. This is our last one, number 10. The missing word means test before. As we were getting ready for our nutrition unit, we had to take a blank to see what we already knew. Did we have to take a pre-test, a retest, or a post-test? If you think it's pre-test, do 10 scissor kicks, retest, 10-second plank hold, or post-test, 10 toe touches. The correct answer is A, pre-test. You should have done 10 scissor kicks. As we were getting ready for our nutrition unit, we had to take a pre-test to see what we already knew. Great job. Thank you for fixing the prefixes. It's always fun to practice academic concepts and get a chance to exercise at the same time. Have a great day.